We are going to set up this cage, and then we're going to figure out what we need for another cage or another playpen. We're gonna see how many more we need for another playpen. And we got Navy running with our new bunny. Yeah, and they're getting along perfect. I'm so excited for that. There's no arguments, no fighting. Yeah. Yeah. Do you think that you guys would be friends? You think you guys are gonna be friends? Friends forever! And the crazy thing is, if you see this here, it says property of the sheriff. Not that. I found it at the Goodwill and I thought, hey, these are comfortable. Only this kind of stuff into the rabbit barn because I am constantly throwing away clothing. Constantly. So I'd rather throw away something like that than to throw away nice clothes. Look at Drusilla. Drusilla, you're so funny. You fit in there still? Well, maybe not fit in there for too much longer, Drusilla. Hi, big girl. Hi, big girl. Be nice. You be nice. What you doing, Drusilla? Huh? Okay. Navy girl, Navy girl. Drusilla. What you doing over there? Izzy? Hi. Now, when I was cleaning this, I found out that we have a eater again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy tiles that they cannot eat. Now the floor that I was telling you about right here, what we're gonna do is we are going to use this for a couple things, but then my goal is to have like 4 to 6 rabbits that I like be in here to make like a colony type thing. That's my goal. I've always wanted a whole bunch of rabbits running around and stuff like that, so that's what I'm gonna do. But in the meantime, we're gonna use this for ready for some babies within the next while here, but we have a chewer, so we're gonna have to get a little tiles that you can get that will be put on the floor, so they cannot do that because that's a no-no. And then I'll use this just for when they're running around for a while. How can I work when I got such a beautiful, beautiful rabbit sitting there? Hi, Drusilla. Hi, Drusilla. Hi, Drusilla. You a big girl? Are you a big girl?